Right now, you are sitting still, except you are not. You are riding a rock that spins at more than 1,600 kilometers per hour. So here is the question. What would happen if the Earth just stopped? Quick spoiler, you would not just stumble a little. The air itself would turn into a weapon. Stick around. By the end of this video, you will die a little less ignorant. First, why does it not feel like you're on a merry-go-round from hell? Because the speed never changes. Your body only notices speeding up or slowing down. It is like flying in a plane. Smooth cruise. You feel nothing. The problem is never the speed. The problem is the brakes. And Earth has no seatbelt sign. So let's do it. One snap of the fingers and the planet stops dead. The ground stops. But nothing on it gets the message. You, the oceans, the buildings, the air, everything keeps going east at up to 1,600 kilometers per hour. That is faster than the speed of sound. The strongest wind gust ever recorded on Earth was about 400 kilometers per hour. This would be roughly 4 times faster. A wind like that does not knock things over. It sandblasts continents. Anything not welded to bedrock gets swept away. The oceans join in. Water keeps its momentum too, so it piles into mega tsunamis that slam east across every coast. And then it gets weirder. Earth's spin is what bulges our oceans around the equator. No spin, no bulge. The water would drain toward the poles and could drop ocean levels near the equator by around 8 kilometers. Earth ends up with 2 polar oceans and 1 giant dry ring of land around the middle. Oh, and a day would now last a full year. 6 months of daylight, 6 months of night, 6 months of sun cooking one side, 6 months of deep freeze on the other. Pick your nightmare. Scientists even think the spin of Earth's liquid core helps power our magnetic shield. Lose that, and more cosmic radiation reaches the surface. The good news, nobody would be around to complain. Now the part nobody sees coming. The Earth is stopping right now. The moon's gravity drags on our oceans like a soft brake. Scientists call it tidal friction. Every century, the day gets about 2 milliseconds longer. Sounds like nothing? Go back far enough and it adds up. Billions of years ago, a day on Earth lasted around 19 hours. We can even check. Ancient corals grew 1 ring per day, like tiny calendars. Corals from 400 million years ago show days about 22 hours long and more than 400 days in a year. Dinosaurs literally had shorter days than you, and they still got more done. So will Earth ever fully stop? No. Long before that, the sun will swell into a red giant and swallow the planet whole. So relax. So what would happen if the Earth stopped spinning? If it happened suddenly, the planet would survive. Everything on it would not. But the real answer is stranger. It is stopping right now, 2 milliseconds per century, and you will never feel a single one. Now you can die knowing. Next question. How did Nazi Germany accidentally invent Fanta? Yes, really. New questions every week. Subscribe. Learn it before you die, no pressure.